A major crackdown has been launched against fake pollution under control certificate or PUCC centers across the state, making the malpractice costly for those involved. Police have taken action against 72 individuals accused of issuing fraudulent pollution certificates. As part of the operation, the login credentials of the concerned PUCC centers have been blocked, preventing them from accessing the official system. The Regional Transport Office has also directed the Cyber Police to register criminal cases and initiate arrests. The development was confirmed by Additional Transport Commissioner Deepti Ranjan Patra. Complaints regarding fake PUCC certificates had surfaced from the Bharatpur police station area. During the investigation, authorities found serious irregularities. While a proper pollution test usually takes 5 to 7 minutes, some centers were issuing certificates within just 1 minute. In several cases, certificates were issued merely on the basis of vehicle photographs without conducting any actual emission tests. Statewide, nearly 90 lakh vehicles are required to possess valid pollution certificates. However, so far only about 44 lakh vehicles have been issued PUCCs. Around 800 authorized PUCC centers are currently operating across the state. The State Transport Authority has advised vehicle owners to remain alert to cyber fraud and obtain pollution certificates only from authorized centers. Authorities have reiterated that strict action will continue to protect public trust and environmental safety.
लोकंकर पठारु फोटो गाड़ी रो फोटो कलेक्ट करी से माने मध्य प्रदूषण सर्टिफिकेट मुक्त सर्टिफिकेट इश्यू करूथिले आमे ताकू गोटे डाटा एनालिटिक्स एप्लिकेशन ने देखिलु ये माने कोन गोटे गोटे मिनिट रे गोटे गोटे गाड़ी कर दउछंती तेणु एई भली आमे देखि आमे पाखापाखि 60-70 ऊर्ध्व सेई भली संस्थाक विरुद्ध रे आवश्यक आईनगत कार्यानुष्ठान नेइछु एवं ताकू तर्जमा करूछु सेई साइबर क्राइम को मध्ये आमे कहिछु जे समान मध्ये याकू ता सेई पुराना केस रे मध्ये इनक्लूड करिवे एवं सेमानक ऊपर तीक्ष्ण दृष्टि रखाई ए सेंटर गुड़िकर क्रेडेंशियल बंद कर दिया ए सेंटर आ निज लॉगिन रे निज मशीन रे करि परिबे नाही।